Alright, how you doing? My name's Tony. Together, my wife and I, we run Kettle Black Art and Kettle Black Video. Check us out on YouTube. Alright, now I've been pitching to a lot of people that they need to try this painter's pole adapter because it's a handy dandy little piece. Let me show you what it looks like. Alright, this little piece right here. You can hook it up to your painter's pole. I have a floaty on it in case I drop it in the water. I have a tether so I can tie it around the base here. So in case my GoPro decides to fall off, I still have my GoPro. Okay, that's really important. Now there's a hole up in that tree up there, and I want to see what's in it. So this is one of the other advantages to using the painter's pole adapter. So let's see what's in there. Alrighty folks, this is the painter's pole. I'm going to give it a couple twists, raise it up, tighten it up. Now that little hole I was telling you about is right here. Now we would have never known it was possibly in there until this moment. Now we go around this branch. Alright. Get a little close up in there. See if anybody's home. See how they don't have my light attached. But it'd be cool to see if anybody's home or whatnot. Also, I'm glad I'm not getting attacked by a parent bird or a squirrel. All right, so we'll check that out in a moment, folks. All right, and since we're here at the river, we might as well show the baby goslings. Look at that. Yeah, I know. We're here. You're aggressive. I'm neutral, dude. And dudette. All right. Look at that. You can tell who was born last and who was born first. One baby with a big fat butt right there sitting down. Got the little babies. The tiniest one over there following the lead parent. Look at that. How cool is that, right? All right. Oh, little babies, more little babies. All right, so we don't pester him too long. We are gonna head out to the next spot. Oh, so cute. Remember folks, the painter's pole adapter is very handy, so check it out.